Manx broth is a traditional soup from the Isle of Man, known for its hearty flavor. Manx broth was traditionally served at weddings, eaten from wooden bowls called piggins and mussel shells called sligs. Now let's make Manx broth. Fill a large pot with water and add the beef shank, marrow bone, thyme, and salt to taste. Bring to a simmer and cook for an hour. Once the meat and bones have cooked for an hour, remove them from the pot. Discard or use the meat for another recipe. Dice up the vegetables into half-inch pieces. Add the diced vegetables and barley to the pot. Simmer for 45 minutes until the vegetables are soft. Skim off any fat at the top if necessary, and then serve hot. Cheers!